Hey, what's up guys? I go by the name Soji Gray and welcome to another episode of Quick View. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. So in this video, we're going to be doing our third episode of the Android home screen setup of the week. You guys have been enjoying and interacting with me based on the previous two I've done. So I just thought, let me bring you the third one. And I think this is our third week. You know, we've been running this whole new segment. And I'm just super excited that you guys appreciate all the work and efforts I put into making this home screen setup. Now, this setup is going to be built on top of the Niagara launcher. Now, I've made past videos on Niagara launchers, and I really love that launcher. It is one of my favorite minimal launchers out there. But I think there was this recent update, and it gives you the ability to put a widget, not many widgets, but one widget on your home screen. And I feel it makes a lot of difference. Usually it's just a home screen. You don't need to have a lot of widgets on the home screen. So them giving us the option to put one widget on our home screen is amazing. And this is actually a secret feature. You don't have it right at the home screen, or you don't go to the settings and see it. It's a very secret feature. So, I mean, watch to the end to get to know how to do this on your home screen. So as usual, I'm going to leave the links to the wallpaper I used in the setup down in the description, along with other details about the setup. So if that's something that you're going to find helpful, make sure to check it out down below. So as I said, the home screen setup is going to be built on top of the Niagara launcher. It's a minimal launcher. And the icon packs I'm using in this setup is from Kony Icons. Kony Icons, they have this distinctive look, and I just love Kony Icons. Very interesting. It has some pastel colors, it has some really vibrant colors. It's just a mixture of everything, and the icons look, you know, peculiar. I just love them. And the widgets used in this setup is from Exquisite KWGT, and it's called Exquisite Typographic 13, and it gives us details such as the day, the date, your current location, and the current weather condition of that current location. It has this amazing look, and it just fits the Niagara setup in this video, and I just hope you guys are gonna find that very interesting. So now let's move to how to actually set this app. You must have installed KWGT Pro, you must have installed Niagara Launcher, you must have installed Kony Icons, and then you have to have the wallpaper, obviously, and Exquisite KWGT. Now, once you install Niagara Launcher and you open it, you are going to select up to 8 apps that are going to be on your home screen. So these apps are like your favorite apps you use a lot. It's going to be on your home screen. And right above that, you have the clock widget, which tells you the time, and then it has a date widget, a sub widget at the bottom, right below the clock widget. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to change the icons. I don't like the default icons, and I want to use Kony Icons. So there's this alphabet swipe thing on the right side of the home screen. So all you have to do is just swipe to the bottom, and then you're going to see Niagara settings. Once you see Niagara settings, you click it, and then you're going to go to look. Now, when you go to look, you're going to click icons, and then you're going to choose your icon pack. You choose Kony Icons, you press the home button, you come back to the home, you realize the icons have changed. Now, the next thing we have to do is to install our widget onto this home screen. So to get the widget on your home screen, all you have to do is long press the clock widget. Once you long press the clock widget, the setup switches to edit mode, and then you see tap to add widget. And what you have to do is click the tap to add widgets option, and then you scroll and you navigate to the KWGT widgets. Now, once you find the KWGT widget, you are going to select the widget with a placeholder aspect ratio of 4:2. So you're going to select the 4:2 aspect ratio. And once you select it, you're going to have that on your home screen. Okay, so once you have the KWGT placeholder on your home screen, you have to click the placeholder. And once you click the placeholder, it's going to take you into the KWGT Pro app. And then you can go select Exquisite and look for the widget we are going to be using. And that widget is called the Exquisite Typographic 13. Now, once we find the Exquisite Typographic 13, we just click it, and then we're going to click save. And once we click save, you just go back to your home screen. You'd realize that the widget is now on your home screen. The widget is now on your minimal home screen setup. And I mean, The widget itself is a minimal looking setup, so it's not going to take anything away from the kind of look you're going for. And I just love how it looks already. Now what we have to do next is to take off the clock widgets and the sub date widgets, because I feel I'm on top of my home screen. I have the time, and so I don't need the time. Plus I have the date in the widgets, the X widget typographic 13. So I'm going to get rid of the default clock and sub date widget. So all you have to do is that when you go to Niagara settings, you click features and then you click time and date, and then you turn off show clock and show date. And once you turn them off, you go back to your home screen and you realize that they are gone. So we're going to adjust the home screen for the last time. So you long press the widgets and it tells you resize. Once you click resize, you just drag the top arrows a little bit to the top, and then it's just going to take everything. It's going to take the whole setup right to the top, and then you have your setup. So I'm very, very happy about the way this thing looks. And I mean, Niagara Launcher has been one of my favorite launchers, and I'm just happy with the setup. And it's a very simple setup. Niagara Launcher is around, I think it's just below 3 megabytes, so it's not something that's going to consume your RAM at all. So no matter the smartphone you're using, you can download Niagara Launcher, and this setup is an amazing setup. So that's that for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.